you a short video this morning. I'm trying to learn to keep it short because I know they say Americans' attention spans ain't no greater than like 30 seconds or some shit like that. Alright, so here we go. Keep it short, sweet. Alright. I made a reference to the horses having tags on their ass back in the old days to cars having tags on them now because of the cars were horseless carriages. That's what they were called. I thought people knew this, but undoubtedly they have perverted the American history so much that people don't even know these simple things. But anyways, it wasn't until it was 115 years ago Monday that New York City required people to buy a tag for their car. It was after the T model exploded all over the country, a few years after that. But anyways, it was unconstitutional then. People raised hell about it then. They didn't like it. But New York being progressive, even back then they were progressive. That's the reason why New York and California are the first states to pass these laws. Seatbelt law in California. It was unconstitutional then, it's unconstitutional now. It's like Democrat women say that want an abortion. It's my body. Well, we can make the same argument about seatbelts. Why does the government give a shit if you go through the windshield of your car? They don't. It's just a way to get revenue. But anyway, just wanted to clarify that.